Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Is today your first time of tuning in? Please don't make it your last. Don't make it your last. Just click the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, so you can join the glowing gang. Yes, please click subscribe and join the gang. And thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use banana to get rid of wrinkles, tighten your face, smoothen your face, maintain that youthful glow. Yes, that's what we are going to be doing in today's video. So without much talk, let's get right into it. So to prepare this treatment, you will need banana. Go ahead and get one ripe banana, peel it and mash it. So we'll be using banana because banana contains vitamin A and vitamin C, which are essential for healthy and youthful skin. The vitamin A present in banana can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, while the vitamin C present in banana can help brighten the skin and even out your skin tone. So if you want to get rid of wrinkles, just keep applying banana on your face. And also if you want to, maintain that youthful glow, applying banana on your face will also help you to achieve that. Okay, so now you go ahead and match it very well. Match it until it is smooth. So after matching it and it's smooth, the next thing you have to add is honey. Go ahead and get original honey. Add about 1 teaspoon of honey into it. Honey helps to deeply moisturizes and hydrate the skin. It helps to diminish the signs of premature aging. Honey is an effective pore cleanser and a gentle exfoliator. Honey can help to lighten your scars and hyperpigmentation. So there are a lot of skin benefits of honey, okay? So after that, the next one you have to add is turmeric. Turmeric is very potent when it comes to brightening dark spots. It helps to heal skin wounds. Turmeric helps with some skin conditions like reducing skin blemishes, fade away scars, give you that glow, and also reverse the early signs of premature aging. Turmeric has a lot of skin benefits. So after adding turmeric, you go ahead and mix it very well. Make sure that everything is well mixed. Then you proceed to the next ingredient, which is natural yogurt. Please, the yogurt we'll be using is a plain yogurt, a yogurt that doesn't contain sugar, okay? Just plain yogurt, that's what you have to use. Go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of it. So yogurt contains lactic acid, an organic compound that aids in diminishing the appearances of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. So that's why yogurt is needed for this treatment. Go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of it. Then you go ahead and mix it very well. Yogurt also has exfoliating properties that transform your skin from being dry and dull to lighter and softer skin. Yes, so after mixing it, just make sure that you've mixed very well and it's ready to be used. So this is it. Like I said, this banana face mask is very potent. This will help to tighten your face, give you firm skin. It will help to remove wrinkles. It will help to brighten your skin and give you that smooth, young and youthful glow. Okay, guys. So how do you use this banana face mask? Just make sure that your face is washed. Take your brush, make sure your face is washed. Take some amount of it and apply it on your face. Oh, I made a mess. So apply it on your face. After applying it on your face, you let it sit on your face for 45 to 40 minutes. You have to wait until it dries. Once it dries up, then you go ahead and wash your face with lukewarm water. Wash your face with lukewarm water. And once that is done, you go ahead and apply your face moisturizer or aloe vera gel on your face to help lock in moisture and all the nutrients you applied on your face. Okay, please don't leave your face dry. Don't leave your face dry after applying this goodness. Okay, once you wash your face, apply your face moisturizer, face cream, or aloe vera gel depending on what you prefer. Okay guys, for this one, use it 3 times in a week. Yes, use it 3 times in a week. The remaining one you can store in the fridge, and after 3 days you discard the rest. Okay, so but it's always good to prepare your DIYs in small quantity, like the one you can use at once. Yes, it's always good to prepare it in small quantity. You cannot compare new soup to old soup now. No, you cannot do that. So I would always advise that you prepare it in small quantity, the one you can use at once. So when you want to use it again, you make another one. It's not difficult to make, right? So that is it. But if you have remaining one that you want to keep, you can just put it in the fridge, use it the next day. After the next day, you can discard it. Okay guys, because there's no preservative in it, right? Okay, so guys, that is it. This is how you can actually make banana face mask that can help to tighten your face, firm your skin, get rid of wrinkles and all that. Okay guys, for this treatment, please be consistent with it. It's always good to be consistent while trying DIYs. Yes, there's no chemical substance in it that can help to hasten the effect. So it's always good to be consistent. Like if you're trying it 3 times in a week, try it at least maximum 1 month. Before 1 month, you will begin to see the difference on your face. Okay guys, so that is it. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't fail to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.